Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can elevate your baking game, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. We found this fantastic mixer online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer? This versatile kitchen appliance features a 4-quart stainless steel bowl and comes equipped with essential attachments, including a dough hook, flat beater, whisk, and a splash guard. Designed to handle everything from thick batters to heavy doughs with ease, this mixer is powered by a robust 300-watt motor, making it a reliable companion for all your baking endeavors. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this stand mixer. First and foremost, the Hamilton Beach Mixer boasts a planetary mixing action. This means that the beaters rotate around the bowl while also spinning on their own axis, ensuring complete and even mixing. This feature is often found in higher-priced brands but is included here, making it a great value for your kitchen. With 7 different speed settings, this mixer gives you the flexibility to adjust based on what you're preparing. The slow first speed is particularly useful for kneading bread, as it reduces splatter when you're adding dry ingredients to wet ones. Additionally, a handy mixing guide located on the top of the mixer will help you select the right speed for the job, making it easier for both novice and experienced bakers alike. Another practical aspect of the Hamilton Beach Mixer is its design. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl comes with handles, making it easy to lift and pour batter or dough without any hassle. Plus, the splash guard helps keep your workspace clean by preventing messes while mixing. And when it comes to cleanup, you'll appreciate that the bowl and all attachments are dishwasher safe. Now, who is this stand mixer suitable for? If you're someone who loves to bake, whether you're a beginner trying your hand at cookies or an experienced baker whipping up artisanal bread, this mixer is an excellent addition to your kitchen toolkit. It's perfect for families, home bakers, and anyone who enjoys hosting gatherings with homemade treats. Even if you just want to make a simple cake or whip up some pancake batter, this mixer can handle it all. Let's consider some practical use cases. Picture this: it's the weekend, and you're preparing a batch of cookies for a family gathering. With the Hamilton Beach Mixer, you can effortlessly mix the dough while enjoying a cup of coffee. Or perhaps you want to try your hand at making homemade pizza dough from scratch. The dough hook attachment will make the process smooth and easy. You can even use it for whipping cream or making fluffy meringue, showcasing its versatility in the kitchen. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer offers a blend of power, functionality, and convenience that can make all your baking tasks more enjoyable. With its range of attachments, 7 speeds, and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for anyone looking to step up their baking game. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.